So I've been on a journey with OptiSmile just for over 2.5 years now, and when I first met Doc Cliff, I sort of told him about, my teeth aren't exactly what they were a couple of years ago, and particularly now being retired, that I've had a little bit of time and opportunity to see if I can get my teeth straighter and whiter ahead of Rugby World Cup 2023. Knowing that I'm going to be back on TV, but there's going to be so many things, events that I need to be going to, and I really wanted to feel that confidence that I had pre my teeth moving, pre my teeth not being as white as they are now. But more importantly, looking at the very tight timeline that we had to get my teeth straighter and whiter at a rapid process. But 15 weeks in, Rugby World Cup starting, and I am so confident, so happy with the OptiSmile team that have given me my confidence back, and I'm going to be out there. I cannot wait for Rugby World Cup 2023 and these pearly whites all straight.